You want to see the camper van that I bought to travel the Americas with my daughter? Well, that video is going to start right now.
Just got the beast plated up at the Secretary of State.
What's up, y'all? My name is Nicholas Dembski, and on this channel we discuss living a better life as a nomad. Let's head outside. Now you might first ask, why did I buy this camper van? Well, I did mention in a previous video that I've been feeling really wrapped up and congested. So I'm feeling a little wrapped up right now, you know, a little congested. God, I'm so melancholy. For me, the wrapped up and the congested feeling is really because there's been a reduction of nomadic freedoms. You know, border closures, quarantines, etc. And I actually had other plans than buying an RV like this. Now, if you follow my channel, you know my daughter's from Hong Kong, so I really wanted to take her back there to visit her family this year. We had plans to go to Ecuador and visit the Galapagos and then head to Machu Picchu right now, actually. And all of those options were taken away first by governments and now by my own personal choice. Obviously, the travel industry is bouncing back a little bit, but I'm in no rush to be jumping onto a plane or into a bus or anything like that right now. I have asthma. I didn't actually use a pump right there. I'm not gonna waste one of those things. Are you insane? So that's why I really started looking for a new way to live. You know, I love to travel, but if I can't travel on planes and buses and trains, what am I gonna do? Hint. Well, I came across a concept that is almost entirely new to me, and that's van life. As I started learning more about this idea, I had to, you know, obviously start investigating vehicles. I saw that there were the big Class A RVs, but they're just way too big and unwieldy for me. There's the Class C RVs. Again, they're quite large and they're not really that stealthy. And so that's when I found something that was kind of perfect for me. That's Class B camper vans, and specifically I found a brand called Roadtrek. And so I've actually been looking for an old Roadtrek like this for about 3 months online. I've been looking on Facebook, Craigslist, pretty much anywhere I can to try and find exactly what I'm looking for. And actually, I was able to find some on Facebook that were overpriced, but they still sold. And so I was really waiting on one to make offers on, and I did. And it got rejected more than once. But then it happened. I finally found an old Roadtrek that was actually used by another travel family. Now I got your van. Woo! And with that in mind, let's go check it out. So we're gonna take you on a little tour. Auburn's gonna be touring you on her camera. I'll tour you on my camera and we'll show you around. So let's just go inside. Let's go see what we got. Open it up. You want me to open up that back door for you? You're just gonna climb through there. Okay, this is the front door over here. Open up this door right here. It's got this side door, big side door. Head on in. Come on.
Daddy, what should we tour first?
Well, first maybe we could just show people that we got your bike in here right now. We can just put it up on this lock right here so it doesn't fly around anywhere. Oh, I see you wore your shoes inside. All right, so this is our Roadtrek. You've got your seat right here.
Yep. This is where I sit.
Yeah, and she can get her own buckle on like a champion.
Yes, it took a while to learn it.
So these front seats up here are great because they actually swivel all the way around. So I'm not gonna...
They can make a bed.
Yeah, they can make 2 beds actually, a bed here and a bed there. Plus there's a bed in the back. We'll show you that in a minute. I will show you the actual complete tour of this place, like everything swiveling around and everything like that in a separate video, just because I don't want to bore Auburn to tears. I know you don't want to go through all that stuff, do you?
I'm not sure.
No, that's okay. Let's go see what else we got. We haven't really cleaned it yet, have we?
Nope. And we also haven't decorated. We'll show you that at the next video.
We got a lot of stuff to do actually. This is a 1999, so there's quite a bit to do on it. And it's got its quirks, it's got its things that we got to prepare.
How about let's first take a tour of the bed.
Yeah, okay, let's go check out the bed.
So this is the bed.
Yeah, here's the bed. So we're also gonna put a cushion up on top of this bed right here. I'll show people how I can fit in it.
Okay. When I first saw it, I thought you were too big for this.
You thought I was too big? Yeah, it kind of looks like it, but once I lay down, it actually shows that I kind of fit. I fit pretty well, actually. It's small. It's a small van. We can kind of hide in it. It's kind of stealthy, but I still fit in it, you know, and I'm 6'1", so I still got some space, and that's nice. Even standing up, too. I don't know if you noticed that. But yeah, right here, you can see when I stand up straight. Look at it, I got a couple inches of space right there. This is like 6'3", 6'4", maybe. Sweet.
Because I'm just little that I fit here.
Yeah, you fit really well in the bed.
Yeah.
So another place that's going to be really important to us, I think, is the kitchen right here. It's a 2-burner stove over here. It's got a sink. Bathroom is also right here, right across from the kitchen.
How about I show them?
Okay. Oh, right. So this is the privacy door.
The next privacy door blocks out so you can like block out the bedroom. Open this up, and this can block out. If you want to see out the door, there's a little door right here where it can like be closed, open.
Yeah.
See?
Uh-huh.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Avi. Here's the bathroom right here. It's got a toilet. And there is also, you can see there's the shower hose, and it plugs in right there. And then this curtain right here comes around and tracks around this thing, around the fan actually. And then you'll have a curtain surrounding you, and the entire ground here is actually the floor pan to the shower. So the swivel chairs will turn into a little like 4-person dinette right here. You can set up a table right there.
The fridge is right here, and you can't just open it like this. That's not.
You gotta push in, yeah.
You have to push on these. Go.
It's got a freezer too, huh?
Doesn't look like freezer.
Doesn't look like a freezer? What's that right there?
This
Yep.
freezer?
All right, we got a freezer. Big enough for ice cream sandwiches.
Then we better get some.
Uh-huh. Yeah, we better.
If you open up this right here, there's a table underneath right here. See, you can slot that through and you have a little table here.
Cool. Is there any other secrets that you know about?
Mm-hmm. Come on, Daddy. There's one right here too, with this to make it work.
Nice one.
You can also eat in the bedroom if you want as well. Isn't that interesting, right?
Yeah, it's very interesting. And it's extra counter space if I need it while cooking too.
Daddy, is there any other secrets you want to tell the video?
Well, see that shelf above us right there? I'm thinking about putting some plants up there maybe, just having some indoor plants, kind of make it look nice.
Daddy, I thought you were gonna put the plants there.
Yeah, maybe some plants up
And
there
there.
too, I think. Yep. Just, you know, make it look a little bit more homey in here since we're going to be moving into it full time at the end of August.
Oh wait, this is what you guys might want to know. Come on, Daddy.
Okay, let's go.
We're back at the fridge, and at the bottom, you can find a drawer, and you can open it up, and you have a more space.
Yeah, so let's pretend like we're having dinner here. Yeah, I'll sit right here. So it'll be fun to eat here. Yum, 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 yum. Lots of room to eat.
Daddy. Say, Daddy, is there anything you want to say? Hey,
Oh, did we have a name for this yet?
we call her Speed Limit.
I think you call her Speed Limit. I like the name Toad because it really drives like a toad. Auburn likes the name Speed Limit because
I said tons of names one time.
yeah, she's kind of slow, but she gets everywhere we need to go, that's for sure. Just not quickly. That is probably right in my face.
What about the size of this truck?
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, toads are kind of big, you know?
They're only like this size.
I am looking forward to being able to live more outside. No reason to stay inside when something small like this.
Okay, what do you want next, Daddy?
Is there anything you're worried about living in here? Is it gonna be too congested sometimes, or maybe?
Well, for one, I'm gonna have to do ballet outside instead of inside.
It's true. Do they have outdoor ballet shoes?
They do.
Well, if they do they hold up? That's the real question, because I thought ballet shoes were specifically meant to be worn on the dance floor.
The ballet shoes are able to do it in the hallway. How about you finish this video while I leave?
Okay. Go ahead and click this video right here to learn more, or click this playlist right here and you can keep up with my story as it continues. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.